You guys, welcome back. If you ask me what my favorite Cambodian dish is, I tell you it's Nom Banh Chok, a lemongrass and finger root rhizome curry noodle soup packed with aromatics. The combination of herbs and textures in here is quite special. Let's get started. We'll need fine rice vermicelli noodles. There are many brands out there. Use your favorite and follow the instructions on the package. Flush the noodles with cold water a few times to cool it down completely. Fill the noodles with water. Portion the noodles into bundle servings. When they dry up a bit, it'll be easy to grab a few bundles for your meal. What makes this noodle dish addicting is all of the fresh textures and flavors in these toppings. Cucumber, mint, basil, yard-long beans add a nice earthy crunch. This is banana blossom. It grows at the end of a bunch of bananas. Squeeze some lime juice into water. This will help slow down the banana blossom slices from oxidizing and browning quickly. Banana blossoms have a pleasant chalky texture and have a vegetal, cabbage-like taste. Some red chilies for heat, and lime. There are many other traditional toppings that I can't get my hand on. But what do you think about this topping platter? Let's make the Kroeung. Lemongrass, Galangal, Kaffir Lime Leaves, garlic cloves, turmeric powder, smash it up as finely as you can. Set this paste aside, and let's make room for the finger root rhizome, which is sold in jars where I live, and it looks like this. It's essential in this curry. It's earthy and has medicinal herbal tasting qualities. Smash it up well. Add the rest of the paste back in and combine. This herb paste is done. This is brahok, fish that's been fermented in salt, water, and rice bran. It adds a complex umami taste. Like what anchovies or a rich cheese does to a pasta dish, it's both funky and unmatched. Mince it into a fine paste. Mix it in some hot water. We want to harness all of its flavor. Eventually, we'll only use the liquid and discard the solids. Set it aside for now. Bring some water to a boil and add lemongrass. Traditionally, this curry uses catfish, but red tilapia works for me. In goes the fish. Boil for about 10 minutes. The lemongrass will give the meat a nice aroma. After 10 minutes, let's collect the fish meat. Carefully remove all of the bones. Make the fish meat fluffy by smashing it in the mortar like this. I'm also adding boiled chicken thigh meat and fluffing it up using the same technique. On medium-high heat, bring water to a boil. Add in all of the herb paste. In goes the brahok liquid. Discard the solids. In goes the fish and chicken meat. Coconut milk. It smells incredible. Granulated chicken flavor soup base mix. Sugar and fish sauce. Taste and adjust the flavors to your liking. Some red chilies for a bit of heat. And boil on medium-low heat uncovered for at least 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, taste and adjust. Set the curry aside. To assemble, lay down a few bundles of noodles, ladle over some of the curry broth. add the aromatic toppings. And roasted chili flakes. Here we have it, Nom Banh Chok. The slippery noodles are coated with this herbaceous, earthy curry broth. So many flavors and textures in each bite. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, and I'll see you all in the next video. Be safe, everyone.